Who will do the reading part? Nobody is ready to do the reading part.
Ma'am, Sumit, me.
Sumit, yes. Yes, Sumit, begin fast.
I used every way I knew to overcome this fear, but it held me firmly in its grip. Finally, one October, I decided to get an instructor and learn to swim.
Yes, now what
The instructor
happened?
pulled.
1 minute. This fear, it ruined his fishing trips, and he was not able to go for fishing. He was not able to go for canoeing, swimming, boating, and everything. Okay. So he says that this fear, it just ruined him completely, ruined all his fishing trips, and it held him firmly in its grip. ऐसा लगा as if he has been held, he has been caught, in something very fearful. And finally, what happens now? He was not able to go into the waters. Okay, he was not able to enjoy at all. So finally, he just wanted to eradicate this fear out. So finally, 1 October, he decides something, and finally, 1 October, okay, he decided to get an instructor who could teach him swimming. Now you read the whole para.
I mistakenly read the second para, not the second last.
This is not the para, it was explained.
Yes,
It was,
ma'am.
it was explained.
Okay, how did the instructor taught him? Okay, one hand was tied to his waist and the other he had in his hand. This all, that's what I was thinking कि ये तो explain कर दिया था बेटा मैंने.
Yes, ma'am. Me too.
And 7 months तक he took the
Okay.
training, है ना? चलिए आप पढ़िए जहाँ से भी पढ़ना हो.
But I was not finished. I still wondered if I would be terror stricken when I was alone in the pool. I tried it. I swam the length up and down. Tiny vestiges of the old terror would return. But now I could frown and say to that terror trying to scare me, well, here's to you, look, and off I had go for another length.
Okay, now he says that piece by piece
This,
means step by step. The instructor he built a swimmer, and when he perfected him in every step, okay, he told him to swim all alone, and he asked him to dive and swim all the length of the pool, and do the crawling and stroking and everything. And William Douglas, beta, he says, of course I did it as I was taught by the instructor. He did it. The instructor was finished means he was not finished. His work was finished. Okay, but I was not. But finally, afterwards, he realized that yes, I had not learned proper swimming. Why? Because though I was there in the water, but still tiny vestiges means tiny parts, pieces of fear, it would return. He was really it was really surprising for him that he says that I was still fear stricken, means he was still full of terror, he was still full of fear when he was all alone in the pool. Okay, who is a good swimmer? One who can swim all alone in the pool or in the waters, okay, without having any kind of fear, right? Without having any kind of panic, ना डर होता ना घबराहट होती है. He or she is a perfect swimmer. तो उसको लगा I am not a perfect swimmer. Why? Because William Douglas realizes that when he was all alone in the swimming pool, okay, the fear would return, right? And but he says now, key tiny vestiges of what I said. Now here the terror or the fear, it has been personified, and he says ki I could speak to that terror, it would return in tiny vestiges, in tiny parts, in tiny pieces. Okay, तो ऐसा लगता था थोड़ा थोड़ा वो टेरर लौट कर आ रहा है, लेकिन मैं है ना बड़ा फ्राउन करके अपनी ब्रोस को क्रूज करके आई वुड से टू हिम ट्राइंग टू स्केयर मी, वेल here's to you, look, and off I would go for another length of the pool. Okay, as if somebody talks to somebody, okay, to a person. Similarly, William Douglas says that he has personified it, okay, and he says that I used to talk to that terror, and I used to tell him, what are you doing? Are you trying to scare me? See, I'm not afraid of you, and I would swim the length of the pool. Okay? समझ में आ गया? बोलो टेरर को मैं कहता था मुझे डराने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, पर्सोनिफिकेशन करा हुआ है टेरर का. गेटिंग इट? आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर ऑल्सो.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? तो जिस तरह किसी इंसान से बात करते हैं, सिमिलरली ही टॉक्ड टू दैट टेरर कि मुझे डराने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, आई एम नॉट स्कैर्ड ऑफ यू. एंड विलियम डगलस यूज्ड टू कवर द स्विमिंग पूल, ही यूज्ड टू स्विम द लेंथ ऑफ द पूल. यस.
This went on until July, but I was still not satisfied. I was not sure that all the terror had left. So I went to Lake Wentworth in New Hampshire, died of a dock at
All
Triggs
these
Island, and
paras,
swam 2
1
miles
minute,
across the
Sumit,
Rail
1 minute,
Lake.
beta. 1 minute, okay? These paras, you know what I said? They will be the answer to the question, how did he overcame his fear? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Not by appointing the instructor. How did he learn to become a swimmer? Okay, that would be the answer of the instructor that was appointed by him. What did he finally decide to overcome the fear? Okay, तो वो था कि उसने decide करा था कि he is going to appoint an instructor. वो वाला पैरा है. And how did he finally overcame this fear? Now, these paras, you know, they are going to tell you the answer. So he says कि this fear, you know, it continued, this terror, it continued till July, and he was not satisfied, you know. He was not at all satisfied that when he would be all alone in the waters, the terror would leave him. So what did he do? Yes, now Sumit, read.
I was not sure that all the terror had left. So I went to
Yes.
Lake Wentworth in New Hampshire, dived off a dock at Triggs Island, and swam 2 miles across the lake to Stampact Island. I
Okay, to
swam the crawl,
confirm it,
brief
1 minute,
strokes.
beta. To confirm it, you know, what did he do? To confirm that whether the terror was there in his heart or not, the terror would return. So he went to Lake Wentworth in New Hampshire. From there, he dived off. Diving, you got it, na? Jumping into the water, okay, off a dog at Triggs Island. पर उसने diving करी, and he swam 2 miles, okay, across the lake. वो गया Stampact Island तक. Trigg Island से he covered the distance till Stampact Island तक उसने cover करा. He swam all alone. Yes, I swam. Sumit, I swam the crawl,
I swam the crawl, breaststroke.
breast,
I swam the crawl, breaststroke, side stroke,
breast.
and backstroke. Only once
Yes.
did the terror breaststroke, side stroke, and backstroke.
Hmm.
Only once did the terror return. When I was in the middle of the lake, I put my face under and saw nothing but bottomless water.
Hmm.
The old sensation returned in miniature. I laughed and said, well, Mr. Terror, what do you think you can do to me? It fled and I swam on.
Okay. Now he says just I dived off, okay, a dock at Triggs Island, and from there I swam 2 miles across the lake to Stamp Island. Up till there he covered the distance, and then he says he swam the crawl, the breaststroke, the side stroke, and backstroke. Okay, he did all the steps. Okay, that could be done in the swimming, and he says only once, you know, when I was there in the middle of the lake, there I found the terror had returned, you know, and how, you know, even he was so this thing that he tried to put his face under the water. And when he put his face under the water, he did not see the water, you know, all the bottomless water could be seen. Means the bottom, it was not visible, and there was water all around, he says. So he says the old sensation returned in miniature. Miniature means in a short form. The old fear, it returned. But he says that I laughed, He became somewhat bold, courageous, and he said, "Well, Mr. Terror, what are you? What are you trying to do? What do you think you can do to me? You know, क्या कर सकते हो?" As if he challenged the terror, and the terror it fled, and I swam off. Okay, और उसको लगा terror जो है, it ran away from there, and I just covered the length. आवाज को-
Yet I had residual doubts. At my first
Residual means
opportunity, I
remaining
hurried
doubts.
west.
Remaining doubts.
I hurried west. Yes, ma'am. I hurried west, went up to Titan to Conrad Meadows, up the Conrad Creek Trail to Medi Glacier, and camped in the high meadow by the lake side of Warm Lake. The next
Okay, but
morning, I stripped, dived in,
yes, dived into
dived
the
into
lake.
the lake, and swam across to the other shore and back, just as Doc Corpon used to do. I
Yes,
shouted with joy, and Gilbert Peaks returned the echo. I had conquered my fear.
now see, beta, he swam from Trigg Islands to Stampede Island, but still he was not sure whether all the fear had left him. He says, I still had residual means remaining doubts. है ना? So the very first thing he says that I just hurried up towards the west, and then I went to Conrad Meadows, and from the Conrad Creek Trail to Madey Glacier, he goes there, he went there, and there he camped, camp लगाया in the high meadows by the side of warm lake के side में उसने camp लगाया. Next morning he got ready, he dived into the lake. Which lake? Into the warm lake. Okay, and he swam to the other shore and back. Okay, to the length of the island, and there he returned back, right? Other shore तक गया और वापस लौट कर आया जिस तरह जग कॉर्बन ने करा था. And he says the fear it did not return, so he was so happy that he shouted with joy, and the Gilbert Peak, it returned its echo, it returned the voice, the sound it gets returned, you can listen to your sound. तो जब वो खुशी के मारे चिल्लाया तो कहता है गिलबर्ट पीक इट रिटर्न माय एको, and ऐसा लगा I had conquered my fear of water. Now not even once the fear returned. Got it? Warm lake to the other shore. He dived into the warm lake finally. Remember it? Okay. He swam to the other shore. दूसरे किनारे तक गया, and from there he returned back. And not even once the fear he felt. Got it? एक बार भी उसको फीलिंग नहीं हुई as if he
Yes,
was feared,
ma'am.
he was terrorized, or he was panicked. So he became very happy, and he understood that he had conquered his fear of water. Yes, last para, read it.
The experience had a deep meaning for me, as only those who have known stark terror and conquered it can appreciate. In death, there is peace, there is terror only in the fear of death, as Roosevelt knew when he said, all we have to fear is fear itself. Because I had experienced both the sensation of dying and the terror that fear of it can produce, the will to live somehow grew in intensity. At last, I felt release, free to walk the trails and climb the peaks and to brush
Yeah.
aside fear.
Now he says this experience, it had a very bad, deep meaning on me. Why? Because only what I said in the class also, ki people who had experienced this fear and conquered it, they can very well appreciate it. Okay, they can very well understand it. Now he says that in death there is peace, there is no fear. When a person dies, no feelings are there, no panic is there, no terror is there, no such feelings are there. Okay, but when do you feel terror? In the fear of death. समझ में आया? आपको डर कब लगता है? ये सोच के कि मौत आएगी. मौत में डर नहीं है. There is no fear in death, isn't it? We all are afraid. Why? Because we think that death might come to us. But when the death comes, nobody is afraid, nobody is terrorized, because in death there is peace. A person becomes silent. He is dead. right? तो वही वो कहना चाहते हैं
Yes,
कि
ma'am.
there is terror only in the fear
Yes,
of death.
ma'am.
Okay, और रूजवेल्ट ने कहा था कि all we have to fear is fear itself. हमें किससे डरना है? डर से डर के रहना है. We have to fear itself. Okay, why? Means we should not let this fear come near us, because he says I had experienced both the things. Okay, the sensation of dying and the terror that fear of it can produce. Okay, मैंने दोनों ही चीजों को feel करा है. Sensation of dying, I have seen death, in front of me, and even due to that, the terror of fear it can produce on me, it produced on me rather. तो कहते हैं मैंने दोनों ही चीजों को experience करा है. Sensation of dying, the death was there before me when I was thrown into the pool, swimming pool, and because of it, ठीक है, जो टेरर प्रोड्यूस होता है ना, उस डर की वजह से जो भय प्रोड्यूस होता है, दैट आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस. एंड आफ्टर दिस, द विल, द विश टू लिव, it grew intensity, means it grew more strong. I just wanted to live more. Why? Because he says that I think I had got a new life. It was a new beginning for me. I had escaped death, I had saved myself. And then he was very much released, very much relaxed, to walk the trails, to climb the peaks, and to brush aside the fear. Never then he experienced fear. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
enough? Enough for today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, beta. Take care. God bless you.